Blade Metal Fusion. Right, today Storm Pegasus and Burn Fireblaze will be having a battle. Three, two, one. Watch Jack. Storm Pegasus. Battle's underway. Quick one today. Moving Pegasus. Pegasus is tiring already. But he did an amazing tech there, and he's got nothing. Storm Pegasus, my best Blade, is the winner. Unfortunate to Burn Fireblaze. Unlucky. Maybe next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.